Well, Dad's just loading up. We're done. I should have started at the beginning of the video, but we came down to John Sleeth Race Cars Limited. Rolling road down here. I think it's four-wheel drive as well. Didn't need four-wheel drive because Rochdale's only two-wheel drive. Was running on 2 cylinders as soon as we drove it up onto the rolling road. Within 5 minutes it had it running and balanced the throttle bodies. Got it running much better within 5-10 minutes, and then spent the next hour and a half doing progressively more power runs and base map and tuning and everything. And basically, Dad's very happy, as you better tell by the end of the video. So yeah, it was a £600 plus VAT for full go through. Went through everything, checked all the timing and all that sort of stuff. And more after service, he said bring it back if there's any issues. He set up the cold start, which obviously you can't always test. So he said bring it back if there's any problems. So yeah, not far from my dad's place, an hour away. So yeah, very good service. Very happy with them. Two guys here, brilliant. We just stood and watched them do their work. Nothing. Just
power.
No.
So I'll say I'll just put a few little blanks in, and then that's it. That's it.
So is this the engine power?
No, that's air fuel ratio.
Air fuel ratio.
Okay.
So that's what it is.
Yeah, that's the power there. So that's the power.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yes.
So what's the engine producing? Do you think about that?
About 120.
120.
That's all right. Yeah. For what it is, it's.
Because it's a standard engine.
Yeah, we don't really exhaust it.
No. The manifold is awful. I don't know if you've seen it.
It's just a fucking.
It's all pour into a collector box.
Like a toolbox. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all a little bit like
Yeah. You're happy?
I am very happy.
That's good. If you're happy, I'm happy.
Happy that it turns and stop running on all cylinders, I get panicky there.
Well, yeah.
You like?
I was panicking. And I was panicking that it might boil and things like that.
But then, when you get it running on 4 cylinders within a couple of minutes, you know you come to the right place. So.
Oh. ECU and everything.
It's getting there a little bit.
Pete for multimedia. OMAX have been really useful as well. So.
It's a good system. It's massively out of date.
Yeah.
What's available now?
But there again, for that thing, it's.
Oh, it's still a really good system. Honestly,
Yeah.
nothing wrong with it. The car's wonderful, as you've just seen.
Yeah.
Oh, it's absolutely great. It's a shame. It's typical. They almost world beating OMAX were, and then they just sort of
Yeah,
landed
they
high.
just-
And now worldwide products from Australia and.
That's how good that.
Spend the money, maybe at some point take it to a nice exhaust shop just to get a nice.
Get a decent.
Spend the money there instead of trying to make your own one or anything silly. Oh.
It's just because he's fat.
No, it's not. It is quite soft, isn't it?
He's got heavy shoes, hasn't he? Steel toe cap shoes.
Yeah.
Weighs the car down.
Yeah. Cool.
Push it down. Give it a good. That's it. Crikey, it just sounds different, doesn't it?
Hour and a half or so, wasn't it? Well paid for. What's that throttle, Dad? Alright. That's where your brakes are then. Be a bit better going the other way because then you're going uphill slightly. You've got a hill to stop you.
You want to have a drive going, mate?
Nah, you have a go, Dad. I'll have another go another day.
I'll turn around now.
Yeah, just turn.
Brake's not very good.
Oh, yeah. It's the trouble now. It's a bit of power. That's a lovely little road just up there.
Shall we? Yeah.
Wow! I can drop the phone.
It doesn't drive
trouble is now that it will just show up everything else, like your suspension and just wiggly, just, you know. Cool. But if there's any problems there, but
Tell you what. Be careful in the wet weather.
yeah, I was going to say it could feel a bit squirrely in the back there. It's going to surprise a few people.